In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another email account to Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll have your other inbox, whether it's Yahoo, Gmail, Outlook, AOL, or another provider, accessible right inside Yahoo Mail, so you can read and send from one place. Start by signing into your primary Yahoo Mail account, either in a web browser or the Yahoo Mail app. Once you're in, look for your profile icon or avatar on the web. It's usually in the upper right corner, and in the app it's typically at the top. Open that menu and select Manage Accounts. If your layout looks a bit different, go into Settings and look for the section related to email accounts or mailboxes. Choose the option to Add Account or Add Mailbox. Yahoo may show a list of providers. Pick the one you want, or select Other if yours isn't listed. When prompted, enter the email address you're adding and its password. If it's a common provider like Gmail or Outlook, you may be redirected to that service to grant permission. Just confirm the access so Yahoo can fetch and send mail on your behalf. Don't worry, this doesn't share your Yahoo password with anyone. For some non-Yahoo accounts, you may be asked for server details like POP or IMAP. When in doubt, IMAP is usually best because it keeps your messages sync across devices. Yahoo often fills these settings in automatically, but if you're prompted, use the provider's recommended IMAP settings from their help site. Next, verify the new account. Yahoo may send a confirmation link or code to the address you're adding. Open that message from the other inbox and follow the instructions. This step proves you own the account and completes the connection. If you use extra security like two-step verification, approve any prompts that appear during this process. Once verified, set your sending preferences. Choose a clear display name so recipients recognize you, and adjust the reply to address if you want replies to land in a specific inbox. These details help keep your messages professional and ensure responses go where you expect. That's it, your additional account is now linked. To switch between accounts, return to your profile icon or the mailboxes area and tap the account you want to view. When composing a message, you can select which address you're sending from in the From field, so you're always using the right identity. With everything connected, you'll save time and keep your email organized without hopping between apps.